Welcome, friends, to the start of a remarkable voyage, a voyage unlike any other you've embarked on before. This is the journey of self-discovery, a journey that reveals a powerful truth. You are far better than you've ever imagined, better than anyone else in your own unique way. As we set off on this expedition, remember, you are not just another face in the crowd. You are a masterpiece, an original. There's a magic in you that no one else possesses. It's easy to look around and compare ourselves to others, to see their achievements and feel dwarfed by them. But here's what I want you to understand. Your value, your worth does not diminish because someone else's shines brightly. Your light is unique, your path is yours alone, and it is unparalleled. This journey is about uncovering your inherent greatness, the greatness that resides within you. It's about recognizing that you have strengths that others don't, abilities that are uniquely yours. Your journey is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Each of us is gifted in a way that is distinct and extraordinary. It's like having a hidden treasure within, waiting to be discovered. Your task on this journey is to unearth that treasure, to bring it to the surface, and to let it shine. The world needs your unique talents, your ideas, your perspective, what you have to offer. No one else can, because they are not you. As you travel this path, remember that the challenges and obstacles you encounter are not there to stop you, but to strengthen you. They are opportunities to showcase your resilience, your creativity, and your unique approach to problem solving. Embrace these challenges as a chance to stand out, to prove just how remarkable you are. Celebrate your individuality on this journey. You are not meant to blend in. You're meant to stand out. Your differences, your quirks, they're not flaws. They are what make you special, what make you better in your own way. As we dive into the profound reality of our existence, today I want to talk to you about something incredibly special, something that sets you apart from everyone else, the uniqueness of your existence. This isn't just a phrase. It's a fundamental truth that underlines a powerful message. You are far better than others in your own unique way. You see, in this vast universe, there is no one else quite like you. You are a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. From the strands of your DNA to the patterns of your thoughts, every aspect of your being is unique. This isn't just about being different. It's about being irreplaceably special. Understand this, my friends. Your life is not a coincidence. It's a carefully crafted narrative that only you can author. Your thoughts, your dreams, your passions, they are yours alone. And in this lies your power, the power to create, to innovate, and to inspire in ways no one else can. In a world that often tries to fit us into boxes, remember this: your uniqueness is your strength. While it's easy to look at others and wonder why we aren't more like them, the real question is, why would you want to be? You are equipped with a blend of talents, insights, and perspectives that no one else possesses. This unique combination is your superpower. As you walk through life, you'll encounter many who may doubt your abilities, who may not see your vision, but don't let that deter you. The path to greatness is often walked alone. It requires courage to stand apart, to forge your own path. But remember, it is those who dare to be different who leave a lasting mark on the world. Embrace the uniqueness of your existence. Let it be the compass that guides you. Your journey is not about surpassing others, but about surpassing your own expectations of what you can be. It's about breaking the mold, setting new standards, and redefining what's possible. Your journey, your path in life is incomparable, it is unique, and it is here where your true power lies. Embrace this truth. You are far better than others in your own distinctive way. As we navigate through life, it's natural to look around and compare our journey to those of others. We see their successes, their milestones, and we can't help but measure our progress against theirs. But here's what I want you to understand. Your journey is not meant to be a mirror of someone else's. It is a path that is yours and yours and yours alone. Please consider for a moment the beauty of a tapestry. Each thread has its color, its direction, its purpose. Some threads are long, others short, some are bright, and some are subtle, yet each thread is crucial. Similarly, in the tapestry of life, you are one of those essential threads. Your color, your texture, your direction contributes to the beauty of the bigger picture. Your personal journey is a testament to your individuality. It's a story that only you can tell. In this story, you are the hero, the architect of your fate. Your strengths, your challenges, your triumphs, and your setbacks, they all add to a narrative that is rich, vibrant, and extraordinary. Remember, the value of your journey isn't in how it compares to others, but in how it reflects your inner essence, your untapped potential, your urine-yielding spirit. Now let me remind you, being better than others on your journey doesn't mean outperforming everyone at every turn. It means being better than the limitations you once set for yourself. It means surpassing the expectations that others have imposed on you. It's about breaking barriers, shattering stereotypes, and proving that your capabilities are boundless. Your journey is about realizing that every challenge you face is an opportunity to showcase your uniqueness. Each obstacle you overcome, each goal you achieve, is a testament to your resilience, your creativity, your determination. You are not just moving through life. You are sculpting a masterpiece, your life's work. So as you continue on your journey, remember to embrace every part of it, the highs, the lows, the victories, the lessons learned. They are all integral chapters of your story. They shape you, mold you, and elevate you. You are far better than others in your own extraordinary way. Picture, if you will, a grand orchestra. Each instrument has its distinct sound, its unique tone. Alone, each is beautiful, but when combined, they create something transcendent. Just like these instruments, each of us has our own rhythm, our own music that we contribute to the world. Your rhythm is unlike anyone else's, and this is where your unparalleled strength lies. In the grand orchestra of life, you are not just another instrument. You are a soloist. Your tune, your tempo, your melody, it's all yours. While it's tempting to listen to the rhythms of others and wonder why ours aren't as fast, as smooth, or as melodious, remember this. The beauty of an orchestra lies in its diversity, the harmonious blend of different sounds. Your rhythm, with its unique beats and pauses, adds to the richness of this symphony. Your individual rhythm is a reflection of your journey, your experiences, your values, and your dreams. It's a composition that you've been writing since the day you were born. And with each day, you add more notes, more depth, and more character to it. It's not just a rhythm. It's a narrative of who you are and what you stand for. Being better than others does not mean playing louder or overshadowing their music. It means playing your melody with such passion, such conviction that it inspires, it uplifts, it resonates. It's about being so true to your rhythm that it encourages others to find and embrace their own. In this symphony, every challenge you face, every obstacle you overcome, is like a complex chord that adds to your melody's depth. These are not dissonant chords. They are harmonies that enrich your music, that make it more profound, more impactful. Your rhythm, with its unique ups and downs, its tempo changes, is a testament to your resilience, your individuality, your unmatched capacity to adapt and thrive. So, as you continue to compose the melody of your life, embrace every note, the high notes, the low notes, the crescendos, and the diminuendos. They all play a critical role in defining your unique sound. Your rhythm is not just a part of the symphony. It is a highlight, a solo that captures the essence of who you are. In the tapestry of life, each of us is woven with threads of unique strengths and abilities. Often these threads are hidden, buried under layers of self-doubt, fear, and conformity. But today, I wanted to tell you that within you lies a reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be discovered and harnessed. Think of yourself as an explorer venturing into the uncharted territories of your inner world. In this world, there are strengths you've yet to realize, talents you've underestimated, and capabilities you've overlooked. Your journey is about unveiling these hidden gems, bringing them into the light where they can shine brightly. Remember, the strengths you possess are not just good. They are extraordinary. They set you apart, make you unique, and give you an edge. It's easy to look at others and admire their strengths, but what about your own? Your strengths are just as valuable, just as worthy of recognition and cultivation. Your hidden strengths are like seeds waiting to sprout. They need nurturing. Your belief, your effort, and your determination. As you start to uncover these strengths, you'll realize that they were always there like buried treasure waiting to be. And with each discovery, you'll grow stronger, more confident, and more capable. Uncovering your hidden strengths is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming more of who you truly are. It's about peeling back the layers to reveal the true essence of your character. In this process, you'll find strengths you never knew you had. Resilience in the face of adversity, creativity in problem-solving, tenacity in pursuing your goals. These strengths are your superpowers. They enable you to tackle challenges with a new perspective, to overcome obstacles with innovative solutions, and to reach heights you once thought unattainable. Your hidden strengths are the keys to unlocking a life of fulfillment, success, and impact. As you embark on this journey of discovery, embrace the adventure, be curious about yourself, challenge your assumptions, and be open to learning new things about who you are. Each step you take in uncovering your strengths is a step towards realizing your true potential. Consider for a moment the vast potential that lies within you. It's like a seed, unassuming yet capable of breaking through the toughest ground to reach for the sun. This journey, this continuous quest for betterment, is about nurturing that seed, watering it with ambition, and watching it grow beyond the boundaries of doubt, fear, and complacency. Think of the remarkable abilities you possess, some you're aware of, and some still hidden like treasure waiting to be unearthed. Your potential is an undiscovered masterpiece, a symphony waiting to be played. And this journey, it's your stage, your canvas, your orchestra. Every step you take, every challenge you overcome adds a brushstroke to your masterpiece, a note to your symphony. In this world, it's easy to look at others and measure ourselves against their milestones. But remember, your journey is uniquely yours. It's not about being better than anyone else. It's about recognizing that you are already better in your own right. You're not in a race against others, but in a marathon with yourself, where each mile conquered is a testament to your resilience, strength, and indomitable spirit. This journey is peppered with challenges. Yes, but in each challenge lies an opportunity to rise, to push your limits, to show that the only boundaries that exist are the ones you set for yourself. When faced with obstacles, don't seek an easier path. Instead, forge a path that others will aspire to follow. Your attitude is the compass that guides you on this journey. A positive outlook, a can-do spirit, turns walls into doors, hurdles into stepping stones. The toughest battles often lead to the greatest victories. And in these battles, you'll find your true strength, a strength that far surpasses what you see in others. Surround yourself with people who mirror the greatness you aspire to. The company you keep should uplift you, challenge you, and celebrate the unique person you are. The quality of your journey is often reflected in the quality of your companions. Finally, understand that this journey is not a race with a finish line. It's an endless pursuit of growth, learning, and self-improvement. Each day presents a fresh canvas, a new opportunity to paint a better version of yourself. And in this continuous journey of being better, remember, you are not just walking a path, you are blazing a trail, showing the world just how remarkable you truly are. As you continue on this journey, keep your head high, your heart open, and your spirit unyielding. For in this journey of self-betterment, you are not just traveling, you are soaring. And in this flight, you'll find that you are indeed far better than you ever imagined.